Welcome back to Revolution. The 2026 Revvolution Expedition Research Super-Yacht is the epitome of innovation, blending luxury with cutting-edge technology for both exploration and environmental research. Designed for the most demanding oceanic adventures, this groundbreaking vessel is not only a marvel of design, but a tool for advancing marine conservation. At the heart of the REV Ocean is its unparalleled ability to navigate the world's most remote and uncharted waters. Powered by state-of-the-art hybrid propulsion, it offers both sustainability and efficiency, making it a leader in eco-friendly super-yachts. The yacht's twin-engine system combines traditional diesel power with a fully electric drive, significantly reducing fuel consumption and harmful emissions. The system ensures a quieter, smoother journey, allowing for more precise research in sensitive marine environments. The yacht spans a colossal 182 meters in length, making it one of the largest private vessels of its kind, with a gross tonnage of over 15,000 tons. The ship's sheer size provides ample space for a variety of functions. The deck area is specifically designed to accommodate an array of scientific research equipment, including submersibles, ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, and advanced environmental sensors. This makes it a versatile platform for marine biology, oceanography, and climate research. Revvolution is built with a strong focus on sustainability. The yacht's hull is constructed with advanced materials, minimizing fuel consumption and enhancing durability in harsh ocean conditions. Solar panels and wind turbines have been integrated into the vessel, supplementing its power needs, reducing reliance on fossil fuels, and contributing to the yacht's environmental mission. For comfort and luxury, the Revvolution features a lavish interior with accommodations for up to 36 guests and 54 crew members. The onboard facilities rival those of high-end resorts, with state-of-the-art amenities including a spa, gym, swimming pool, and multiple dining areas. The interior is crafted with the finest materials, offering a seamless blend of opulence and sieve and functionality. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow for panoramic views of the surrounding ocean, creating a truly immersive experience. Moreover, the yacht's main focus on research doesn't limit its ability to entertain. The Revvolution offers luxury rooms that can easily be transformed into research labs, fully equipped for data collection, analysis, and experimentation. A fully fledged laboratory allows scientists and marine experts to conduct real-time experiments and analyze data from the depths of the ocean as the yacht navigates through various regions. This provides unmatched opportunities for real-time research in the field, bridging the gap between luxury travel and environmental stewardship. The Revvolution is more than just a yacht. It's a vessel designed to push the boundaries of exploration and environmental preservation. It is a forward-thinking fusion of high-end technology, eco-conscious design, and luxurious comfort. Whether exploring new territories, conducting scientific research, or providing an unforgettable experience for its guests, this yacht represents the future of ocean travel. In conclusion, the 2026 Revvolution Expedition Research Super-Yacht is a testament to what can be achieved when luxury meets sustainability. It allows those aboard to enjoy a world-class voyage while contributing to the preservation of our planet's most critical ecosystems. This yacht is not only an outstanding example of modern maritime engineering, but a tool for pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery and conservation.